How to simultaneously censor and blur faces and license plates in multiple images with PutMask version 8.0 on Android. Using the PutMask app, you can censor and blur all faces and license plates in a large number of images at the same time. To do this, first open the app and click the Select from Gallery button. Then click on the Image button. After that, select as many images as you wish simultaneously. You will then be taken to the main image editing screen, where you can see the list of selected images at the top of the screen. Next, PutMask automatically begins processing all the images to detect faces and license plates. You can identify which images are being processed by the progress bar circle located at the bottom right corner of each image thumbnail in the list. Once the processing for each image is complete, the progress bar is replaced with a number representing the count of detected faces and license plates. Additionally, if you select the Objects option from the main menu, you can view the list of detected items. Click on Face to see the detected faces and on License Plate to view the detected license plates. By default, all detected items will be censored in the output image. If you wish to remove some of the detected items, simply click on a selected item, either on the image itself or from the list, while in the Objects mode so that it becomes deselect and will not appear in the output image. You can adjust the size of the list view using the provided control, allowing you to make more precise decisions regarding the items or the image itself. You can also preview the final result by clicking on the Preview button. Moreover, if you want to enlarge the selected image for closer inspection, simply click the Lock Screen button to disable the lock screen mechanism, which then allows you to zoom in or out with your fingers to examine even the smallest details. By clicking on the images in the list in the upper menu, you can check the results of the processing for all images. If you're satisfied with all the images, you can proceed directly to the Export section. Otherwise, if in any image the intended object was not properly detected, or if you wish to censor something other than a license plate or face, you will need to manually edit that image. For manual adjustments, you have two options. Using the Pencil tool. This feature allows you to manually censor any pixel you desire. To use it, click the Pencil button to switch to pencil mode. In the bottom menu, you can adjust the pencil effect's characteristics. Click the Color button to choose the desired effect, and use the Pixel Rate or Intensity button to set the effect strength. You can determine the pencil's thickness by clicking the Thickness button. After setting your desired options, simply draw with your finger on the screen at the desired location to see the effect. When you finish your work, the app will automatically switch back to the edit mode, allowing you to fine-tune the settings for the line you drew, or if you're not satisfied with the result, to clear the filter and try again. Using the Sticker tool. With this feature, you can add filters to the image in the shapes of an ellipse or rectangle. To do this, click the Sticker button to switch to sticker mode. Then click on either the ellipse or rectangle button to add your desired filter. Once the filter is added, the app will automatically switch to edit mode, allowing you to change the settings as previously described. If you would like to change the default settings for the filter effects, click on the Setting button to access the settings page. Here you can define the default color, default intensity, and default shape for the filters so that every filter you add for video or image editing comes with these preset attributes. You can also choose to disable the default detection for license plates or faces. This action will speed up the editing process, but only perform it if you do not wish to censor license plates or faces. Note that any changes to this setting will only affect new projects you create. Once you have checked all the images and are satisfied with the results, click on the Export button in the main menu to proceed to the Export section. Two options will be presented. Click Export Current to export the image you are currently viewing. If you're satisfied with all the images and have checked them, click Export All to export all images. The output image quality will match the input image quality, and all EXIF information will be removed to protect your privacy and prevent sensitive data leakage when sharing images. After exporting is complete, click the OK button to go to the review screen. Check all the images, and if you're satisfied, click the Share button to share the images. Otherwise, Click the back button to return to the main screen, and then click See All in your previous project section to go to the projects page. In the completed project section, select your project, choose the image for which you left the edit out, apply the desired edit manually, and then in the export section, use the Export Current button to export only that image. Congratulations! You have successfully used the advanced features of PutMask to simultaneously blur or censor your desired parts in the images. If you have any questions or suggestions, please send an email to support@putmask.com or send a message via our Telegram or X account using the username @PutMask.